Andy here from Spartan Storm Shield on Tiffany Hunter's roof. Again, we have windstorm damages that need to be repaired regarding the shingles. Right here, again, I'm being as careful as I can because we are close to the edge of the roof and it's close to the eave. You can see this damaged shingle where the trees struck right here. The trees struck this and branches hit this. So these are the damaged shingles. I'm just gonna repair this one right here. The butt joint is here. So it's just these two tabs. I will need to cut the shingle again, unseal these, remove however many nails are responsible for holding this in place, take the damaged shingle out, and insert the new one. As seen in the other video, this is a different slope, but this roof is very difficult to unseal without incurring damages. I'm going to be making deliberate motions with only the necessary force to get these unsealed. You may even hear my flat bar hitting the sealant of the shingle. Again, the sealant is holding very strong and the shingles around them are shredding, ripping, tearing, and transferring during this repair process. The reason why we're filming this one again, I want to make sure that all the results we're getting from these repairs are consistent. So again, I'm trying to be as careful as I can on the edge of this roof. It's these two tabs because the butt joint is here, so I need to unseal these tabs because this is the struck shingle. Unseal these and unseal these to remove the nails. Let's start by unsealing the damaged shingle first. Here. So, as you can see again, upper delamination, and then lower delamination where, look, the shingle beneath is completely ripped up and stuck. So now the shingle below this one has to be repaired as a result. Again, same thing is happening already. You can see the sealant ripping the shingle above and sticking it to the one below. Right here, my flat bar has just gone through the shingle. Instead of staying low on it, I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Again, right here, my flat bar has gone through the shingle. Again, it just keeps happening. Let's get it up. Again, this is not typical practice, but as you can see, these are not unsealing and I am in a precarious spot where the damaged shingles are on this roof. You can see that right there. Shingles completely ripping from the unsealing process. And we need to unseal these to remove the nails. Again, my flat bar has gone through the shingle at the sealant line.
Stay where you're at.
Okay, again, more upper delamination to where the upper shingle is stuck to the one below. Now this undamaged shingle is now damaged because of these repairs. More complete upper delamination sticking to an undamaged shingle, which is now damaged. This one is now damaged too. This will not reseal. Again, complete sealant transfer, shredding the shingle beneath, which was not damaged until this repair started. Again, complete transfer. You can see the fiberglass and how the shingle is damaging. Now I have to remove the nails that are holding the damaged shingle in. This shingle has ripped from the nail retrieval. Again, I am very close to the edge of this roof, both underneath me and along the side. So I'm doing the best I can while trying to show what's happening. Shingle's completely shredded. Okay. All right, that should be all necessary nails. More holding it up here. All right, stand up real quick. My knees are hurting. I am now gonna go grab the shingle to replace the damaged section. Again, trying to be careful along the edge of this roof. As you can see, complete delamination right here on an undamaged shingle. This will not reseal properly. There's nothing to seal onto this now. Not to mention the fact that these are ripping and shredding completely from my flat bar. And you have all this delamination and transfer, ripping of the shingles from this repair. Again, I'm lining up the exposures and the sealant strips as they should be. I will take my razor and remove the portion of the shingle that is not involved in the roofing system right here because it's hanging off the edge. All right. Is removed. Again, sealant strips are lined up. Butt joint is right there. Now I need to re-nail this shingle so that it is inserted properly. I think we removed approximately 6 to 8 nails on that one. Again, this is a little more unique considering it is along the rake of the roof. So the shingle is not a full size and had to be cut. Again, this shingle right here has been severely damaged from the repair. So this one will have to be replaced, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to complete this, but this will never reseal. these shingles will always be at risk for further damage because of these damages that were incurred during this repair. Again, everything is complete. You can see these shingles surrounding it that have shredded. My finger can fit through the gaps here from where the flat bar tore the shingle. We have seen severe delamination and transfer because of how strong the sealant is. All this fiberglass is going to prevent the shingle from resealing properly. Same right here. You can see it right there. Again, because of the strength of the sealant and what's happening and these incurred damages, this roof is not repairable.